Tell me when you throw it.
Go.
Sit. One, two,
Go. 2, 3. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you got it.
4 ducks.
1, 2, 3.
Between the catfish and the seagulls, the ducks are going to starve to death.
3.
It gets you in the head?
Okay, I'm going to go to the side to try to get that one.
Right.
Oh!
Yeah, hey there.
Here we go.
We're such
Ducks are like, damn it.
Unbelievable. See those fish? Take a look at the fish, watch. That's incredible.
They're everywhere.
Poor duck. Jesus Christ. I'm surprised the catfish don't eat the ducks. It'd be funny if I dropped this in the water. My God. Oh my God. Woo.